Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Do you long for a pet and live in a strata scheme? A strata scheme is a building or collection of buildings divided into various lots. Living in a strata scheme means that you own your unit or apartment but share responsibility for common properties such as gardens or stairwells. Pet ownership is an especially controversial topic within strata schemes. In response to recent case law, the New South Wales government passed legislation that prevents owners' corporations from unreasonably banning pets in these buildings. If an animal does not interfere with another occupant's use and enjoyment of the strata scheme, the law will regard any restriction on pet ownership as invalid. In Victoria, strata residents also enjoy the right to keep a pet, unless the animal is a nuisance or poses a danger to others. Whether you intend to rent or purchase in a strata scheme, it's a good idea to approach your owner's corporation before bringing your pet onto the property. If your state or territory requires prior consent from the owner's corporation, you may have to fill out a written application. When preparing an application, make sure you include a description of your pet, proof of registration and microchipping, and a reference from a previous landlord or neighbour that attests to your pet's good behaviour. If there is no objection to keeping your pet on the property, the owner's corporation must generally not withhold its consent. Once you have obtained written permission, you must continue to treat common property and other residents with respect. This means picking up after your furry friends, supervising them on common property, and ensuring they don't make excessive noise. For further information and case law on pet ownership in strata schemes, check out the link to our article below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, click the subscribe button to subscribe.